Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the passenger side fog lamp on Polo 1.4 TDI 2007 model, and the chassis number starts with 9N. As most people say, it's MK4 variant. So you can see the fog lamp on the passenger side is cracked. So yeah, let's get it started. To remove the fog lamp grill, all you need to do is place your finger inside the grill and just try to apply force by gripping it and pulling it towards you. And just do it like just yank it to and fro, and it should be off, as you can see in the video. Once it's out, you can see the fog lamps held by 3 torque screws. So that should be fairly easy to remove with the screwdriver. Once all the screws are out, you can easily pull the lamp and you can see the connector holding it. So remove the connector by applying force on the tab, which is on here on this end. Just need to press it and it should fairly become loose, and you can easily pull it out, as you can see. Just to give you a quick comparison, you can see on the left we have the old fog lamp which was in the car, and on the right the used one which I bought it off eBay. So the right fog lamp is made out of plastic, while the old existing one was made out of glass and metal. Maybe, I don't know which material, but it's heavily corroded, and also it is quite dangerous to handle the lens which was broken, and it was glass. So I'll be just salvaging this bulb so that in case I might need it for the future. The bulb was working fine and the filament is still intact, so yeah, why not? Both the bulbs are same, but I just thought of using the old one for a bit more longer until it dies out completely. So just to assemble it, you just need to push it in the slot, and then you just need to rotate it clockwise till it clicks. Once the bulb is in its position, just go and connect it with the wiring. You can see the connector, which is just a push fit connector, so just need to push it into its position and you can hear the click. And now place the fog lamp into its place, and you can see just tighten all the 3 screws to hold the fog lamp. I know this is a no-brainer stuff and anyone can do it with the simple screwdriver and the spares. But as I took a break from YouTube for a while, I thought of making a simple video and then moving ahead. I will be making more videos on Volkswagen Polo because that's the only car I own right now. Don't forget to check the electrical connection before you tighten all the screws. Once it's done, take your fog lamp grill, and you can see on this end there's this tab, so that one should go into that slot first. Just push it into its place, and then from the right you need to bend the grill a bit onto its inside and then push it. In my case, it didn't go in the first attempt because the left tab, which was supposed to be inserted first, didn't go in well, so I had to remove it and do it once again. Once it's done, once all the tabs are in place, just firmly push it and you should hear a few clicks. Now that everything is done, it's time for us to go and test it. You don't need to turn on the engine to test the fog lamp in this car, but I'm just doing it not to drain the battery because it's quite weak. Rotate the light control switch in clockwise direction and pull it to turn on fog lamps. As expected, both the fog lamps are working fine and there is no other issues. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something, and I will try to post more videos on whatever maintenance stuff I do on my car. Until then, like, share and subscribe. Cheers.